Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn computer skills for beginners. Start by familiarizing yourself with the fundamental parts of a computer, like the keyboard and mouse. Understanding how to interact with these tools is your first step. Next, practice navigating your computer's operating system, learning to open and close programs efficiently. Finally, get comfortable with basic file management, such as creating and saving documents. This foundation is crucial for all future learning. Once you have the basics down, move on to essential software. Becoming proficient in word processing and spreadsheet programs will open many doors. Next, learn to use email effectively for communication, which is vital in today's digital world. Also, understand how to browse the internet safely and use search engines to find information quickly. These skills are practical and widely applicable. To truly advance, embrace continuous learning. There are countless free online tutorials and courses available to help you learn new skills at your own pace. Make sure to practice regularly. Consistent engagement is key to retaining what you've learned. Consider exploring specialized software that aligns with your interests or career aspirations, like graphic design tools or coding platforms. This targeted approach can significantly boost your capabilities. Don't forget to leverage available resources. Many local libraries and community centers offer free computer access and even classes, providing a great environment for learning. Joining online forums or groups can also offer valuable support and a chance to share knowledge with others. And for those who love to read and learn, check out the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, as well as other great deals. Keep exploring and enjoy your journey into the digital world.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.